Welcome to the MBM Door Management app. I'm going to guide you through installing the app, registering your details, and adding your first door. So let's get started. On your phone or tablet, open up either the Play Store for Android devices or App Store for iPhone and iPads. Tap on the search icon and search for MBM Door Management. Then tap on the MBM apps listing and then tap Install or Get. Once downloaded and installed, you should get an option to open the app. Tap this, and the app will start up. If this is the first time you have run the app, you may be requested to approve permission for the app to access the camera, select Allow, or while using the app. If you have not yet created an account, select the Register for an Account option under the Login button. In here, enter your name and email address. Confirm your email address and create a password. Tap Register once complete. You will receive an email to the address you entered with a validation code. Enter this code into the form and tap Continue. At this point, you will be taken back to the login screen, where you can enter your new credentials and access the MBM Door Management app. Once you have logged into the MBM Door Management app, you will be presented with a list of blocks you have access to. If this is your first time, you will only see the demo block. To add your block to the app, you will need to use the MBM plaque QR code to access the MBM site for your block. Scan the block QR code on your mobile or tablet. Tap the URL to open the MBM site. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Contractor Visits button. If you have not recently logged in, you may be asked for your email address. This needs to be the same one you created your MBM Door Management app with. Then tap Contractor Tools. Finally, tap on Quarterly Communal Fire Door Check. MBM will send your access rights over to the MBM Door Management app, and then open the app up. We are now ready to scan your first door. If not already applied, place a QR code in a location easily accessible for your device's camera, but also in a less prominent place, like at the top of the hinged side of the door. In the MBM Door Management app, tap on the Add New Door or Replacement QR Code button. Hold your device up to center the QR code in the screen, and your device will scan the code. If you have trouble scanning the code, you can manually enter it at the bottom of the screen. You can also turn on the torch if your device has one, or change cameras if your device has multiple available. Next, we need to answer a few simple questions so the app knows what and where we are. Is this door a new door? Tap on the Y to confirm we are adding a new door. We are then asked what floor this door is on. Tap on the right of the question. As we have not added any floors previously, we only have one option. Add a new floor. Go ahead and tap on this. We are then asked to select the floor. Tap on the right to be presented with a list of default floors. Select the floor and number mostly closely resembling the floor you are on. Basements are at the end of the list. You can now customize the name of the floor if you want to. Next, we can enter a door number, although this is not required, but if you do have internal numbering, add your number here. And finally, we add the door location. Enter enough information to distinguish this door from any others on the floor. Tapping Confirm once we are happy. Now we are ready to conduct our first door check. Start by tapping on Photo Goes here. Take a photo of the door, trying your best to get as much of it in frame as possible. Tap OK or use Photo. The photo will be saved to the summary. Next, we need to tap Edit. We now need to ask a few simple questions to make our check. Condition. Here we need to check. Is there any visible or obvious damage to the door leaf, frame and glazing, where fitted? Answer this by tapping on the Y or N for yes or no. You can add any notes about the condition below and take up to 4 supporting photos. If you need any help determining the answer, you can click on the question mark to see more detailed instructions. When ready, tap Next. Gaps. Here we need to assess the gaps around the door 4 mm or more. Answer this by tapping Y or N again. Again, adding any notes or supporting photos. Finally, tapping Next. Now we move on to seals. Answer the questions as before, leaving any notes or supporting photos. Tapping next when ready, we'll move on to hinges. Answer the question as before, again leaving any notes or photos. Tapping next takes us to the last screen, fixings and closings. Answer the questions on this screen. Once again leaving any notes and supporting photos. Finally, click Next to return to the completed summary page. You can now tap Confirm to save your door check. Now you have created your first door, you can follow the same process to add all your doors to the app. Once you have added all your doors, you can tap on the Submit Inspections Results button. This will upload all your inspections and generate a PDF which will be emailed to you and added to the MBM system.